Andy Warhol. Take a moment and learn something new. Insert a high-resolution image into an empty slide. Recolor the background. Duplicate slide and enlarge the image. I zoom in OD the glasses. Insert a text field and write something clever there. In this case, it is a statement by Andy Warhol. A beautiful statement that will be heard at the end of this video. Choose font phosphate size 48 and recolor it as you like. Copy the text and paste it into the first page. The size of the text is 1, color is black. Duplicate the slide, click on Picture Format, crop the image and align it to the center of the slide. This is the first tutorial of a pop art presentation. Are you interested in how the presentation about Andy Warhol will continue? Follow me, it will be cool. For more tips, follow me and like this video. Well, thank you. Click on the slides and choose Morph Transmissions. And this is the result. Andy Warhol. People should fall in love with their eyes closed. Just close your eyes. Don't look and it's magic. AW. For the continuation of this presentation, follow Jimmy's tutorials. Thank you.